Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to calculate the impulse response of any system within the Python. After calculation we are supposed to plot it also. Now first you have to import one of the important package from the SciPy library in order to use the impulse response function. So how we can do that? First we need to import from SciPy. We will import our signal module. So SciPy is our main library while signal is the submodule of this library. After it, obviously we have to apply our impulse signal to some system. So obviously where there is system there is transfer function. Okay, and I hope that you know about the transfer function as well. So here we have this transfer function for our system. You can see on the screen that sys is equal to 1 over s square plus 2s plus 1. So numerator, you can see numerator is just a constant, that is 1. So we have written, we used to write here, okay, for square brackets for numerator as well as for denominator. So we will write 1 here, just 1 here, okay, 1. It is for numerator. Then we will go for denominator, and for denominator we can see it is 1. We are just supposed to take the coefficients. So s square has coefficient, has nothing, so obviously where there is nothing as a coefficient we will assume it as 1. Okay, so it is 1 s2 plus 2s plus 1. So 1 for s square, and for s it is 2 and constant 1. So we will write 1, 2 and 1. So 1 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, so this is our transfer function. Now after it we will do one thing. We will go for two variables. And why we have declared these variables? Because we are going to do some sort of calculation on the right hand side. On the right hand side, what we need to write, we will write signal dot impulse, okay, signal dot impulse and sys, okay, that is system. Okay, now what will happen? Now you should have to concentrate on this line, that our function is impulse, and impulse function is the part of signal module. Okay, so system is what? System is our what's called as the transfer function. Okay, transfer function, and impulse function used to work on this transfer function. Okay, so impulse function used to work on this, and then okay, after having, because obviously when we will apply our impulse function to any transfer function, it will respond back in a specific manner. Okay, in a specific manner. So how it used to give us the outputs in the form of time, okay, as well as in the form of y underscore amplitude. Okay, two types of values it will return. Okay, one is stored in time and one is in the y underscore amplitude. Now what will happen then? Then we will plot it out. So we will go for like we will import one more library that is called as matplotlib.pyplot is like plt. Okay, why we have written this plt? Because this is a bit lengthy. That is, library name is matplotlib.pyplot is a bit lengthy, so we will just write as plt. So where there is plt written in this program, it simply means that it is matplotlib.pyplot. So now we will write plt.plot. Now plt library has a specific function that is called as the plot. Okay, and it will take two parameters, time comma y underscore amps, and it will give us the plot, okay, of both these quantities y and amp. Okay, it is saying not amps, amp, and then plt.show is necessary in order to see the graph. Now we will run it out. Okay, now we can see our impulse response of a function. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can get the impulse response of a system within the Python. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.